Так, hurmatli kanal a'zolari, bugungi men sizlar bilan bo'lishmoqchi bo'lgan mavzu medical English vocabulary, ya'ni o'zimga yoki kerakli ishlatiladigan so'zlarni, ingliz tilidagi so'zlarni, o'sha tibbiyot bilan bog'liq bo'lgan so'zlarni ko'rib chiqamiz. Let's go. Okay. Establish. Ascertain, establish bilan certain degani establish bu qanaqadir tashxisni aniqlamoq, ishonchni o'rnatmoq degani. Masalan, doctor establishes diagnosis of the test. We need to establish diagnosis. Masalan, diagnozni qo'yishimiz kerak. Establish degani o'shani oxiriga olib borish, o'shani diagnozni qo'yish degan ma'noda ishlatiladi tibbiyotda. Establish rapport with the patients. Tak, keyingisi ascertain ma'nosi aniqlamoq, ishonch hosil qilmoq. Rasmiy va tibbiy holatda ishlatiladi. Doctors try to ascertain the cause of pain. Ya'ni cause degan aniqlamoq. Tries to find tries to find the cause of the pain. The doctor tried to ascertain the cause of the pain. We need to ascertain whether she has any allergy. We need to find whether she has any allergies. Ascertain the patient's medical history. Tak, keyingi so'zimiz bu adventurous, equipped for lateral thinking. Adventurous degani sarguzashtni yoqtiradigan, jasur o'sha odam haqida, shaxs haqida gapiradi. She's adventurous traveler. He's adventurous with food. She's adventurous personality. Shunaqa ma'noda keladi. Keyin equipment for lateral thinking ishlatiladi. O'sha g'ayrioddiy o'ylaydigan. Students are equipped for lateral thinking. Masalan, noodatiy fikrlashga tayyor degan ma'noda ishlatiladi. Equipped for lateral thinking. Take granted and contrary to common belief. Granted degani ruxsat berilgan degan ma'noda. O'tgan zamonda grant degani fe'l bo'lib turib bermoq. Granted berilgan o'tgan zamonda. Permission was granted. The treatment is expensive but is effective. Nimagadir ruxsat berilgan. Permission was granted. Ya'ni masalan operatsiyaga bemor olayotgan vaqtda, o'sha vaqtda masalan permission was granted degan ma'noda ishlatish mumkin. Contrary to common belief. Keng tarqalgan fikrga zid ravishda, ya'ni contrary to common belief. Common belief degan o'sha ko'p tarqalgan fikr, o'shanga qarama-qarshi keng tarqalgan. Contrary to common belief, antibiotics don't treat viral infection. Tak, predate, analogy, in comparison degan so'zlar. Predate degani oldindan mavjud bo'lgan narsa haqida aytmoqchi bo'lsa, symptoms predate the diagnosis. Ya'ni oldindan aytadi, diagnozni simptomlar oldindan aytadi demoqchi. Oldin, date degan vaqt, to'g'rimi? O'shaning uchun pre bu oldin bo'lsa, date bu vaqtdan oldin, predate. Predate illness. This changes predate illness. Ya'ni bu o'zgarishlar kasallik haqida aytib beradi demoqchi. Precede sinonimi. The analogy may be made. Qiyoslash va o'xshatish mumkin bo'lgan. The analogy may be made with driving car. Ya'ni nima kimnidir driving car bilan, ya'ni mashina haydash bilan o'xshatmoqchi bo'lsangiz, nimanidir the analogy may be made with driving car, ya'ni driving carga o'xshab ketadi deb aytish uchun ishlatiladi. In comparison, taqqoslaganda, bu ham solishtirganda ishlatiladi. In comparison degani it's more effective. Ya'ni taqqoslaganda, o'sha bilan o'qiganda, taqqoslaganda new treatment is more effective. In comparison, the new treatment is more effective. Ya'ni taqqoslaganda yangi davo effektivroq deb aytmoqchi bo'lamiz. In comparison. Liberal, debulking, obsolescence. Liberal degani bu yerda erkinroq, masalan, liberallar va demokrat anaqalar deymiz-ku. Ya'ni erkinroq, o'zini liberal demokrat deb, ya'ni o'zini erkin fikrli ayta oladigan, kengroq mizimdan foydalanuvchi, moslashuvchan degan ma'noda aytiladi. In our settings, we tend to be liberal in prescribing antibiotics. In our settings, we tend to be liberal in prescribing antibiotics. We are liberal with antibiotics. Hospital has a liberal policy on testing. Debulking degani boyagiday o'smani hujayrasini kamaytirish. Bulking degani qanaqadir hajm degan ma'noda bo'lsa, debulking degani o'sha o'smani hajmini kamaytirish operatsiyasi degan ma'noda ishlatiladi. The patient underwent debulking surgery, masalan. Obsolescence, eskirish, ya'ni eskirib qolish degan ma'noda aytiladi. Hospital is equipped with in facing obsolescence. Obsolescence, ya'ni eskirish, eskirib qolish. Hospital equipped in is facing obsolescence. Alliance, ally, alongside. Alliance deganda bu ittifoq, ya'ni hamkorlik. Hospital has alliance with university, ya'ni больница bizda hamkor, universitet bilan hamkorlik qilyapti demoqchi. Alliance degani, masalan, Aziya Alliance Bank deydi-ku, o'sha hamkorlik, ya'ni banki degan ma'noda, Osiyoning hamkorlik banki degan ma'noda. Ally degani ittifoqchi, hamkor, ittifoq tuzmoq. He's strong ally. And the organization allied with local hospitals. The organization allied with local hospital. Ittifoqchi, hamkor, ittifoq tuzmoq degan ma'noda. Ally. Ittifoqchi bu ally degani o'sha shaxs qanaqadir ot sifatida keladi. Masalan, he's strong ally. The organization allied. Bu fe'lda, masalan, allied with local hospital. Alongside degani bilan birgalikda, yonma-yon, bir qatorda. Depression may occur alongside ADHD. The treatment is used alongside surgery. Birgalikda keladi deb, alongside. Arose degani arise o'tgan zamon ekan. Complication arose after surgery. Arose. Keyingisi disgust degan narsa bor. Bu disgust emas. Disguise, ya'ni qoplangan, yashiringan. Depression can be disguised as a physical illness. Disguise, yashirinmoq. Disguise, yashiringan. Adventurous, sarguzashtsevar, jasur degan, yangi narsalarni sinab ko'radigan tipga tayyor. She has adventurous personality. Degan ma'noda keladi. Comprise, change into, commence degan so'zlar. Comprise bu o'z ichiga olmoq, tashkil topmoq. Iborat nimadir? Treatment comprises surgery, chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Norasmiy holatlarda ishlatiladi. Masalan, treatment consists of, masalan, surgery, chemotherapy, radiotherapy deyish mumkin. To'g'rimi? Shunaqa ma'noda rasmiy ham ishlatilar ekan. Ko'p anaqada, lekin o'sha rasmiylarda comprises bo'ladi va yoki consist of. Comprise of yoki consist of. Norasmiyda comprise of ham ishlatiladi. Masalan, water is comprised of, masalan, vodorod va kislorod va vodoroddan, shunaqa ma'noda. Xullas, comprise of degani shunaqa tashkil topgan degan ma'noda. Change into bu, please change into hospital ground. Masalan, almashtirmoq degan ma'noda keladi bu yerda. Commence degani boshlamoq, yo'lga qo'ymoq nimanidir. Treatment should be commenced immediately. The patient was commenced on the antibiotics. She was commenced on insulin. Ya'ni boshlandi, u insulinni boshladi demoqchi. Davolanish sirasi boshlanishi kerak deyapti. Bunaqa. encompass behalf key takeaways. Encompass degani o'z ichiga olmoq, qamrab olmoq. The plan encompasses prevention, diagnosis and treatment. Encompass o'z ichiga oladi. The plan encompasses prevention. Bu ko'proq o'sha uni oldingi anaqamizdagi so'z bor edi. Mana commands degan so'zga ham o'xshab ketadi. Bu yerda sal boshqacharoq. Encompass prevention, diagnosis, treatment. On behalf of nurse spoke on behalf of degani nimani nomidan kimni vakildan nurse spoke on behalf of patients. I'm writing on behalf of Dr. Smith. She accepted a word on behalf of her team. Nurse may administer medication on behalf of physician. Ya'ni kimdir nomidan degan ma'noda ishlatiladi.